1.2 of the linear equation in two variable. And the first example is that complete the following table to solve the following simultaneous equations. And the equations are x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now, there are some boxes we have to fill in here. Here is x, here is y, and here x comma y. Now here is 3. Now there is a box here. Here is also box, and here is 5. Here is also box, and here is 3. Now you will see that, and we have to fill here 3 comma 0 comma minus 2 comma 5. Here is a box here, and here is also a box here. Now we'll see, boys, the first equation is x plus y is equal to 3. It is the first equation, and in the box we have to given that the value of x is 3, and we have to calculate the value of y here, and we will put the value of x in the equation. Value of x is 3 here. Therefore, I will write here 3 plus y is equal to 3, and this here y is equal to 3. This plus 3 becomes here minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Correct. And we will write here the value of y here in this box. The value of y will be 0. It is the first box. Now in second, right? In the second, the value of y is given to you, and value of y is 5. Now we will put the value of y, that is 5, in the equation. The equation is that the equation is x plus y is equal to 3, and the value of y is here 5. We will put the value of y in the equation. The value of y is 5 here. Therefore, x plus 5 is equal to 3. Now, this plus 5 goes to RHS side. At that time, the sign of this become opposite. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus 5 becomes here minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. Then here is a box. In that box, I will write here the value of x is minus 2. Now, in the third box, the value of y is given to you. Therefore, we will write the equation and calculate the value of x here. The value of y is 3, and I will write here x plus y is equal to 3. This is the equation, and value of y is given to you. Therefore, I will write here x plus value of y is 3 is equal to 3. Now x is equal to these 3, and plus 3 becomes here minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. The value of y we got is 0. I will write this value of x in that box. Therefore, the coefficients of this point are 0, 3. In this way, first box is complete. Now, in the second box, we have to write here given things here. Here is x, here is a y, and here x comma y. Now here is box here, value of y is given to you, and here is a box here. In the second, value of x is given to you, that is -1, and there is a box here, we have to fill it, and here is also a box that we have to fill also. Now here in the third, both are given to you, 0 and -4. Only we have to put the values in that box. This is very simple. Now I will write the example, that is equation, second equation. Equation is x minus y is equal to 4. It is a second equation. And in the first, that is y is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 0 is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Minus 0 becomes here plus 0. Therefore, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Then I will write the value of x in the box here. Value of x is a 4. In this way. Now, what will be here? The coefficients we will write here 4, 0. 4, 0. Now see here. In the second, value of x is given to you. The equation is x minus y is equal to 4. And value of x is given to you. The value of x is -1. Therefore, I will write here -1. And here minus y is equal to 4. Now see here, -1 becomes here plus 1. Therefore, minus y is equal to 4. -1 becomes here plus 1. Therefore, minus y is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to -5. Then I will write the value of y that we have calculated in that box, that is a -5. And the coefficients will be -1, -5 in this way. Here is a very simple. Now here value of x is 0, value of y is -4. Therefore, I will write here the coefficient 0, -4. In this way, the first activity is completed, and we will see the next example of the exercise 1.2. 1.2, and the first example of 1.2 is that here solve the following simultaneous equations. Solve the simultaneous equations by graphically or by graphical method. Now, at first, what can you do now? At first, you have to make in this way two boxes, and these two equations we have to solve. You have to write the first equation above the first box, that is x plus y is equal to 6. It is a first equation, and the second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. In this way, these two equations we have to solve graphically. Now, here, write here x, y, x comma y. Here is also x, y, and x comma y. Boys and girls, see the first equation. The equation first is x plus y is equal to 6. Now put the value of y or x as you like. I will put the value of y, that is 1, and put here x plus value of y is 1 here. Therefore, here we will write 1 is equal to 6. Now, x is equal to this here 6 plus 1 becomes here minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 5. It is a first value. Here, I will write here this 5. And the coefficients are 5, 1. It is a first point that we have to plot on the graph. Now, the second value, I will put the value of y as 2 here in this way. Then, for calculating the value of x, we have to put the value of y, that is equal to 2, in the equation. Now, x plus y is equal to 6. It is an equation, and we have to put the value of y, that is 2 here. X plus 2 is equal to 6. Now, x is equal to here 6, and plus 2 becomes here minus 2. Now, x is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Good. In this way, x is equal to 4. Then I will write here x, the value of x here 4, and the coefficient of the point are 4, 2. 4, 2. For the third box, suppose I will put the value of y, that is a 3. Now, come to the point, or come to the example, or come to the equation. That is, equation is x plus y. X plus y is equal to 6. And the value of y we have to put is 3 here. Therefore, x plus 3 is equal to 6. And x is equal to this 6. And plus 3 becomes here minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. We got the value of x. At that time, we have put the value of y in the equation. That is, the value of x is 3, and the coefficient of the point are 3, 3. 3, 3. It is first box. How to complete the box, I am telling you. Now, we will see the next box, and for that box, the equation is x minus y is equal to 4. It is the second equation, and as like first equation, I will put the value of y in that equation. That is, suppose I will take the value of y is 1 here. Therefore, x here, it is a minus, and value of y is 1 is equal to 4. Now, here x is equal to 4. At first, you have to write RHS, and minus 1 becomes here plus 1. Now, x is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, I will write the value of x here in the box. It is a 5. Therefore, the coefficients are 5, 1. 5, 1. Now, we will continue now for the second box. As like this, I will take also the value of y is 2 here. Value of y is equal to 2. Now, we will come to the equation. The equation is x minus y is equal to 4. And value of y is here 2. Therefore, here is x. The value of y is 2 here. Therefore, it is a minus, and 2 is equal to 4. Now, x is equal to here 4 minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Then I will write the value of x in the second box, that is a 2 here. And the coefficient of that point is 2, 2. And for this, the third box or third equation or third box, the value of x, suppose value of x is 3 here. Now, for calculating the value of x, we have to put the value of y in the equation. And equation is x minus y is equal to 4. The value of y is 3 only. Therefore, x here is minus and the value of y is 3 is equal to 4. Now x is equal to 4 and minus 3 becomes here plus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. We will write the value of x in that box here, 7, and the coefficient is 7 comma 3. 7 comma 3. Now, boys and girls, if you cannot understand the values of how to find, then watch the video double or one by one. And in the first equation, the points are 5 comma 1 and 4 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. It is there are 3 points for the first equation and the points are 5 comma 1 for second equation, 2 comma 2 and 7 comma 3. 7 comma 3. Now boys, as like this, you have to draw the x-axis and y-axis on your graph paper in this way. At the center, there is a 0 and x-axis, the horizontal line is a x-axis and vertical line is a y-axis. In this way, it is a graph paper that you have to draw. Take the graph book while observing the example. Now boys and girls, we will plot the points of the first equation. The points are 5 comma 1. Where is the 5 comma 1? Here is 5 and the coefficient of y is here 1. Therefore, here will be the point that is a 5 comma 1 in this way. And second point is 4 comma 2. Where is 4? Here 4 and comma 2. Here is a 2 here. Here is a point that is a 4 comma 2. And third point is 3 comma 3 here. See here. Here is a 3 comma 3. Go upward. Here is a 3 here in this way. These are the 3 points we have plotted on the graph paper. And draw a line passing through these 2 points. Here I am drawing the line passing through these 3 points. Now draw the line. Here it is a line we have to draw and make arrow at the end of the line. It is in this way. Now it is a equation. It is a first equation. We have to write the equation here. The equation is that x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6 here. Now we will plot the points for the next equation, that is 5 comma 1 here. It is here 5 and 1. Here it is a 5 comma 1. Now the second point is 2 comma 2. Here is 2 and here is a 2. 2 comma 2 will be here. And the third point is 7 comma 3. Now see, where is a 7? Here 7 comma 3. Here there is some mistake. See here, we have substitute the value of y 2 and x minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore minus 2 becomes here plus 2 and the value of x is here will be 6 here in this way. Now see here, x minus y is equal to 4. It is the equation and we are filling the second box here and we have put the value of y 2. Therefore x is equal to 4 minus 2 becomes here plus 2. Therefore x is equal to 6 here. Now x minus y is equal to 4. It is the equation and we will put the value of y, that is 3. Here x minus 3 is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 plus 3 now. Therefore x is equal to 7. It is the value of x and we have put it in that box here 7 and we will write the coefficients of here 7 comma 3 now. Now we will come to the point now here. It is the graph paper and I have put the points on that graph paper. At first you have to draw the graph. It is a x-axis and it is a y-axis. Take the point at the 1 cm and 1, 2, 3, that is a positive numbers are at RHS side and the negative number is at LHS side. Now on the upward of this x-axis there is a positive number and below the x-axis there is a negative number in this way. And we will plot the points, boys and girls. How to plot the points? The first box, the points are 5 comma 1. Here it is a 5 and here is a 1. Now second point is 4 comma 2. Here it is a 4 and here is a 2. And second point is that, third point is that 3 comma 3. Here it is a 3 and it is a 3 here, y-axis. And we have to draw a line passing through these 3 points in this way. Now boys and girls, we will plot the points of the second box. The first point is 5 comma 1. The first point is 5 comma 1. It will be the point 5 comma 1. And second point is that 6 comma 2. Here 6 and go up. Here is a 2. And the third point is 7 comma 3. Now see here, it is a 7 here and it is a 3. It is a third point. Now friends, you have to draw the line which passing through these 3 points here. We have to draw the line which is passing through these 3 points. Now draw the line which is passes through the 3 points here in this way. It is a line here and we will make the arrow at the end of this line. And what will be the solution of this equation? How to find the solution of this equation? These two lines where the point where these two lines intersect each other. Where they intersect? Here. They intersect each other. It is a point. And what is the coefficient of this point? Phi, 1. Therefore, I will write here phi, 1. It is the point of intersection of these two lines. You will write the equation here. The name of the equation or the equation is that, see, what is the equation second? Equation second is x minus y is equal to 4. I will write here x minus y is equal to 4. It is a second equation. And we will write the last answer for this equation. Here phi, 1. Phi, 1. See here, phi, 1 is the solution. It is the last answer of this graph. Now we will take the next example, and the next example is that, see here the next example. Solve the following simultaneous equations by graphically or by graph paper or graphical method. The equation is that, see here, the equation is that x plus y is equal to 5. Write this equation at the up of the first box, that is x plus y is equal to 5. And the second equation is x minus y. X minus y is equal to 3. It is the second equation. For filling the box, we will write here, it is x, it is y, and here x comma y. Here is also in the second box x, y, and x comma y. Now, how to fill this box? Put the value of any one variable and calculate the second value of the variable. And the equation, how to calculate, I will show you. X plus y is equal to 5. It is a first equation. And I will put the value of y is, suppose the value of y is 1. It is depend on you. It is your choice. Now the value of y, we will put, or we will substitute the value of y in the equation first. That is here. See here, x plus value of y is 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 and plus 1 becomes here minus 1. And now x is equal to 4. It is the value of x. I will write the value of x in the first box, that is a 4. Now suppose I will put the value of y 2. Let the value of y be 2. Therefore, now come to the equation. The equation is x plus y is equal to 5. And what value we are substituting? The value of y is 2 here. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to 5. And x is equal to 5. This plus 2 becomes here minus 2 now. Therefore, x is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now, come to the box now. The value of x is 3 here. Now, write here 3. Now, one more value we have to need. Therefore, write x plus y is equal to 5. It is the equation. And x plus y is equal to 5. and we will put the value of x, value of y in box that is a 3 here in this way. Let the value of y be 3 and we will put this value of y in the equation. X plus y is equal to 5. Here now x plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 plus 3 becomes here minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 2. Now write this value of x in the box here. See here is a box here, and value of x we have got that 2 here. Now in this box we have to write the coefficients of that point. Here will be 4 comma 1, here will be 3 comma 2, here will be 2 comma 3 in this way. Now for the second equation we will put the value of y as 1. Very simple. Now calculate here x minus y is equal to 3. It is a equation and value of y is 1. Therefore x is equal to x minus y is equal to 1 is equal to 3. See here, I am putting the value of y and value of y is 1. Therefore x minus 1 is equal to 3. Now x is equal to 3 and this minus 1 becomes here plus 1. Now x is equal to 3 plus 1 is a 4. Now we will put the value of y that is 2 here and substitute this value of y in the equation, and the equation is x minus y is equal to 3. It is an equation and I will put here x minus value of y is 2 is equal to 3. Now see, x is equal to 3 minus 2 becomes here plus 2. Therefore x is equal to 5. It is the value of x here, and we will write here value of x is 5. In the first box the value of x becomes here 4. Therefore I will write here 4. Now for third box I will take the value of y is suppose 3. Then we will write the equation, second equation, x minus y is equal to 3. It is the equation and we have to put the value of y that is a 3 in that equation. Therefore x minus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 and this minus 3 becomes here plus 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. It is the value of x for the third column, and here I will write here 6. Boys and girls, write the coefficients of the point, that is a 4 comma 1, here 5 comma 2, here 6 comma 3 in this way. Now see the boxes and we have to plot the points on the graph. Already you have drawn the graphs and the points of the first boxes are here. See 4 comma 1, the second point is 3 comma 2 and the third point is 2 comma 3. It is for the first equation, and the points for the second equations are 4 comma 1, 5 comma 2 and 6 comma 3. These are the 3 points for the second equation. Now boys and girls, you have already draw the graph and we have to plot. In this way you have drawn the graph. It is a x-axis and it is a y-axis, and you have to write the points here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the positive numbers, and the positive numbers are at the RHS side. And here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. These are the negative numbers, and negative numbers are at the LH side. Now at the upward side there are the positive numbers upward of the x-axis, and below the x-axis there are negative numbers. In this way you have to draw the graph. Now we will plot the points of the first equation, that is a 4, 1. It is a first point. Here see, where is 4? Here it is a 4. And where will be 1? Go up to the y-axis. Here it is a 1 here. Second point is 3, 2. Where is 3 of x-axis? Here it is a 3, and the y coordinate is 2. Therefore here will be the point, that is a second point. And third point is 2, 3. The coefficient of the coordinate of x-axis is 2 here, and the coordinate of y-axis, that is 3, 2, 3. Go here. It is a 2, 3. See here, 2, 3 in this way. Here will be the point. Boys and girls, we have got the 3 points, and our duty is to draw a line passing through these 3 points. In this way, we will draw a line passing through these 3 points. Draw a line passing through these 3 points. It is a line which passes through the 3 points. You have to make arrow to the end point of the line. Now boys, we will draw the points, or we will plot the points of the second equation. That is, first point is 4, 1. See here, it is 4 and 1. Here will be the point, the first point. Second point 5, 2. Here it is 5, and where will be 2? Here, see here, it is 2 here. It is 5, 2. And third point is 6, 3. See here, it is 6, 3. 3 here upward of the y-axis. It is here 3 in this way. These 3 points we got, and we have to draw the line passing through these 3 points. In this way, I have drawn the line passing through these 3 points. Make the arrow at the end of the line. Now our duty is also to write the coordinates of the points here. Here the coordinate of this point is 4, 1, and the coordinate of this is 5, 2, and here it is a 6, 3 here. Now see here, the coordinate of this point is 3, 2, and here it is 2, 3 in this way. And second work is that this is a equation of, or this is a line of which equation? That is x plus y is equal to 5. It is a line of the equation, or a graph of the equation. And what is this graph? Which equation? X minus y is equal to 3. In this way, this example has complete, and the last answer we have to write that these two lines, in which point these two lines intersect each other. See here, which point, in which point these two lines intersect each other? Here, it is a point of intersection where these two lines intersect, and the solution of the graphically of these two equations is that 4 comma 1 is the solution of these two equations. Therefore, I will write here the solution 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1 is the solution. 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 4 comma 1 is the solution. This sentence you will write here. You will write here the solution of the equation is, what is the solution? 4 comma 1 is the solution. Here, right here, equation is 4 comma 1. It is the second equation. Now boys and girls, see, observe these two equations, two solution, and make practice or do practice on your graph paper, and we will continue the next example of the exercise 1.2 tomorrow. Therefore, best of luck to all students, all friends. Okay, thank you.